Good morning, or should I say good afternoon. Most of you who've been following me for a while know how much I like to utilize a day. However, with moving and back-to-back holiday weekends, only a couple days of living in Pennsylvania, I got a super late start. I normally wouldn't go out if I only had a few hours, but I was really in the mood to go to Burning Bridge. So I'm gonna start my day, even though it's like 1 o'clock, in Columbia, Pennsylvania, and we'll see where it takes us from there. But in the meantime, let's go in and get warmed up because it is freezing out today. Couple things noteworthy here. The ceramics at $16, that's super fair. These usually sell really well for me, but I've had them a few times, so if they were a little bit less, I'd do it. But oh my gosh, he's such a fun piece. I like this hobbyist gnome, but I don't think it's for me today. Oh, and the laundromat washer dryer. These actually used to come free from Westinghouse when you bought a washing machine. They're really neat. They're only $10 too. It's been a while since I've had them and they're in such good condition. I might come back for those after I go in this little nook here. Is that a chalkware Pluto? No, it's plastic. Okay. I was gonna say, in the spirit of switching it up, I'm gonna go ahead and pass on those today. I'm really trying to stay true to what I said I was gonna do and only buy super unique things I have not had before. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, whoa. Look at this ballerina. Now, I think this is 2 pieces. I'm a little bit nervous to pick it up. Oh my gosh. $14 repaired. How is it repaired? I'm kind of nervous to know how it's repaired. I'm guessing, oh, right there. Oh, I see it now. Dang. I'm still tempted to pick it up, but I'm nervous how it will do with the repair. Let's see if I'm able to put it back where I might have to put my camera down for this. There, nope, I got it. Yeah, that is really cool, but a little hesitant with the repair. More lucite candles. Oh my gosh, look at this little baby on a reindeer. That little tile, that is so sweet. Oh, $10. I could probably eke out a couple dollars off that, not much. I'm not seeing a discount sign. I'm gonna think about it because I feel like I'd probably sell that for like 15. So lots of cute stuffed toys in here. First of all, what is this? Oh my gosh. $6 and it's a Nino Hira. I am definitely gonna have to look this up. Some Nino Hiras sell for a lot. This one has some damage, but it's $6. I really don't care. I would just buy it for myself, honestly. It doesn't squeak anymore, but it doesn't have to with how spectacular it is. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. I'm gonna have to look it up when I get home. I'll share my research in a haul video here. Very fun. Now, what is this little stuffed rabbit? I think he's a little bit newer than I'd like. It's probably like 80s. It's very interesting though. Different. I don't know about the little bear. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Yeah, what is this? Ah! That is so adorable. Oh my gosh, it's a little hanky. This is kind of interesting. Little handmade dresser jar situation. And yes, I saw this Happy Chick planter. It would have to be less than that. Even though they sell really quickly for me, I don't charge that much for them. So, oh, look at you. 18, that's totally fair. That's made in Japan. I don't think that leaves enough room for me to be happy with it though. Oh, look at this little lamb. How cute. Oh my gosh, it's $8 and 15%. Relpo. Don't see any obvious damage to it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. I used to pick these up all the time because I used to find them for super cheap all the time, but I've been super careful about how much I spend up front on these little nursery planters. I like the shape of his cart though. I haven't seen that version before. What? Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I literally choked there. This thing is epic. For $8, is there a discount? Like, not that it matters, but no. For $8, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, even though it needs, I mean, it just needs to be reattached a little bit. That's not the biggest deal. This flocked snowman situation is pretty epic. I've never even seen one like this. A lot of people ask me if I have flocked snowmen and things like that, and I wish I had more. Honestly, they're just really hard to find. You guys, we've made it to my favorite vendor's booth. Oh my gosh. First of all, the little, oh, I love these. These are so cute. I love her pink tree. These little rubber angels are so much fun. $15 and 20% off is about what I charge for those guys too. They bring such joy. Oh, look at you. Yeah, we have like a very similar aesthetic. Oh my gosh, look at all this fantasticness. Now, this Santa Claus I need to check out before anything else happens. I actually think that this might belong in my personal collection. I have one kind of like it though. $200, yeah, that is totally fair. I have one like this too. They're really hard to find. Oh, so fantastic. Now, there's pretty much nothing here I don't like. I'm obsessed with the TV, and the little tree is pretty cute too. Just being super choosy. Look at this Rudolph pillow. That is fantastic. I guess it's not a pillow, it's a wall hanging. $25. This is where I got my throw that's on my sofa. Oh my gosh, there's more. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys, she painted that. How cool is that? Oh, I'm just gonna stand here for a second and digest. Okay, everything is so well displayed. This is very neat. I like these little oil lamps. Oh my gosh, so fun. I'm a sucker for any of the Hong Kong faux florals. That plasticky material. What is this little guy? Oh my gosh. How funny is he? Rubber face snow baby. It's super unique. The best assortment of vintage clothes. Look at this little jersey. That's kind of fun. Oh, so many fun colors and prints. Let me not get sidetracked. I don't need to be buying stuff for myself. This rug is really fun too. Oh, look at this guy. I also cannot stop appreciating that Bambi mirror. I'm looking through the dream pets. I'm not seeing one that really jumps out at me. Oh my gosh. Ah! Sorry. Got her. I couldn't help but notice this little crying pink-haired thing. That is too cute. Oh. Now, she has some really hard to find vintage toys, like this guy and this chick, which is incredible. I've only ever seen one like this once before, and mine sold for about $50 too. And of course, one of my favorites, the Knickerbocker Humpty Dumpty. That one's in really good condition. I do believe, if I'm not mistaken, she restores these guys. Ooh, look at the Mary Mouse. $23. That's a super fair price. Oh my gosh, and the squirrel. Oh, look at this freaking spoon rest. What? How much is this? $27. Yeah, I mean, I would sell that for around that too. That's about you. That's cute too. I'm not seeing anything. Oh my gosh, Valentine's Day hankies. You think I have enough of these? Because I don't. What's this one say? For you. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm not trying to commit to those today though. Look at this little lamb. Oh my gosh, how cute are you? $15 and then 15%. It leaves a couple bucks, but not as much as I'd like. This guy's missing his salt and pepper shakers. What is this bowling pin planter? I've never seen this one before. $12. That's super fair. I don't know how well that would sell though, or how quickly I should say. Could definitely still make some money off of it. How did I not notice that deer? How fantastic. But also these lamps. Wow, let me step back so you can get the full picture here. Ha, I had one of these and I sold it at auction. That's so crazy. 75, I feel like that might be it. I could be crazy, but anything's possible. There's a lot happening in here. Oh my gosh. So much fun stuff. I love the light bright sign. Look at these guys. This is kind of hard to find character. I'm obsessed with that lamp. Look at you, Dumbo. I have never seen Disney Japan Dumbo. $15 for two, that seems really fair. I might actually look that up because a lot of the Disney Japan stuff is super collectible. So surprisingly, that was about retail on those, but I know it's gonna be out of what I'm willing to spend. First of all, that hand-painted glass picture is amazing, but also the elf. What? Look at this display, how fantastic. $50, that's actually really fair, but I wouldn't even ship that if I wanted to. I have to know how much this is, it's fantastic. Does that say $15? As is. Okay, what's as is about you? Because you're amazing. Let me put my camera down and do some investigating. All right, well, I've kind of calmed down a little bit. Although it is beautiful, something about it is just telling me to let it go. I can't figure out what's wrong with it other than like a couple imperfections in the paint, but I am gonna put it back. Some really cool textiles here, but this is what I was really noticing. 25. There's something really unique about this. New Mexico. All right, a little lackluster for my personal taste, but still very neat. All right, I think that's it for me here today. I'm gonna keep going, but I am gonna go back to that booth on the lower level one more time. I just feel like I missed a couple things that I should have picked up. So at second glance, well, there is a lot of stuff that I really like here. If I wasn't gonna keep shopping today, I'd probably pick a couple things up, but I'm gonna go with my first instinct and walk away and check out. However, at $12.75, I'm really wanting to pick this up, but the more I look at it, the more I see what's wrong with it. Well, maybe my first instinct was right. Well, I think I spent just as much time chatting with the ladies at the counter as I did shopping. I only spent $48 in there. Now, it's getting kind of late, but I'm not gonna let that discourage me. I'm gonna head up the road towards Adamstown. It's about 30 minutes out. I will see you guys